Hey guys, it's Avrius here. I was just going to do a quick video on how to make easy profit on SkinHub. Why am I doing a video on SkinHub? Well, Memeless is jumping on it, so because I had to too. Alright, anyways, let me tell you how to make easy profit. If you have a little bit of cash, like all you need is 4 cents. On this box right here, the Jurassic bug, you're almost guaranteed to get the Galileo. I mean, like, come on, think about it. It's 99.99988%. Like, come on. Right, but then you want to go to upgrade, use inventory, ASC, CSGO. I just go straight for that. Boom, watch that upgrade, and it's almost guaranteed. And you go back to upgrades, press upgrade again, almost guaranteed. So you go back to upgrades, but this is where you stop. You don't just press upgrade again. You go and you select wherever. But Man of War. Upgrade on that because it's 63. It's higher than the last one. See that? And then you can go for this. So once you do that, look, right, got that. This is where it gets a bit risky. If you don't want to go for this one straight away, then don't do it. Like I've got this. No, it's not that one. But anyways, I've got, if I can find it, this one right now. So if you don't want to go for whatever one I just saw a second ago, go for this one because it's more of a higher chance. But you can choose anything as long as you see that. Look, then I don't think I'd go for this. Just looking at it, it's above 50%, but I don't think it's worth the risk. So I'd go for, if you want to go for that, that's 70% high chance. And edit, yeah, there you go. Then you go back to upgrades. But this, yeah, that doesn't look very, if I'm not gonna lie, that just doesn't look very, no, I wouldn't go for that basically. Alright, that's 37. It's a high chance. Just go for it. If you lose, then you can just do the same progress again. See, look, I lost. So it's pretty simple. Go back to the Jurassic bug. Purchase another case. Galileo. Sage spray. Okay. Upgrade and just do the entire thing again and again. And eventually, when you feel like you've gone so far without losing, and you don't want to lose your profit or your progress so far, then just sell the item. But yeah, so I'm just going to do the same progress again and again and again, and you make profit eventually. It just depends when you want to sell it, because you can get really far and get annoyed because you think, oh, why didn't I sell it? But see, sometimes this doesn't happen, unfortunately. But yeah, so I just go to the cases again. It's just the same process. But you need to remember that you can't just keep on going. You do need to sell it every once in a while. So I get the sage spray, and again I just do it again and again and again and again. Upgrade, use inventory, ASC, CSGO, contractor, boom. Look at that. And if you want, you can just sell it right there and then. But it's still 2p profit. And I mean, like, really, if you were willing to spend that much time in it, you could get thousands if you just kept on doing that. But it would take a very long time, and I'm lazy, so I don't do that. See, I just press upgrade, and I didn't get it. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. Like, I need it. Please leave a like. But anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'm genuinely happy that you actually watched this video, because I'm terrible. Okay, look, my videos are not good. But if you're here watching this video, then like, thank you so much, because my videos are terrible and I really need to get better at doing videos. Yeah, thank you, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.